This is Matt Green with Frontline. I wanted to give everybody a quick update on our Build Optimize that we're doing with Builder First Source and Paradigm. We're in Oldfield right now. This is a private residence that we're building, and that we really tried to utilize the whole entire Build Optimize. So we met with our trades before we even started the house, and we collaborated on the house. And now we're out here at the job site, and I've got a couple folks from our team that are going to kind of talk about some of their experiences that we've had. So what you see up on the wall are some of the various tools that were produced as a result of us meeting with the trades. Down here is a drawing that kind of shows all the mechanical, the HVAC, electrical, and plumbing all in one setting. And then of course we have an HVAC and electrical drawing up here. As you can see, the trades are actually going to work as we speak. And things are moving right along. We're way ahead of schedule on this house, so things have been great. So I'm going to bring in our Director of Construction, Tom Grieve, and the Project Manager, Dave Shipler, just to kind of talk quickly about the house and to kind of give everyone just their view as we continue to progress on this Build Optimize and this incredible experience so far. So Tom, why don't you just quickly give everyone just kind of an update on your experience to date, and then we'll have Dave say a few words.
So far everything's been great. Currently we have HVAC completed, plumbing completed, and like Matt was saying, we are in the process of doing the electrical. One of the things with schedule-wise that has been very beneficial, plumbing, typically we have 4 to 5 days allotted in the schedule. This took two and a half days on the plumbing. That's a huge advantage. HVAC, we usually have 2 days. How long was it? 3 days.
This was set for 3 days, and they did it just under 2 days.
Just under 2 days. Biggest thing with HVAC,
basically having everything completely laid out for the guys. They come in, there's a plan on the wall, they follow it, and it's done that much quicker. Kind of takes the thinking away from them.
and no rework. These guys haven't had to come back to, waiting on a framer to redo a chase or anything like that. Everything was already done. Our framer actually, when they were setting trusses, kind of laid out all the electrical fixtures, can lights, and HVAC registers. Saved us a lot of time on the actual rough ends.
So talk about a little bit about like communication-wise. Have you gotten a lot of calls about questions or problems now that we met before we did all this? Has that been reduced, like your communication time?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that's been a big benefit for us. And then also too, talk about the waste reduction, right? So we really worked on the accuracy up front. How was the materials on the site? Did we have a lot of extra material? Or were we calling a lot, or was the accuracy of the takeoff pretty spot on?
Very, probably 95% better than any other building we've had.
Right, so compared to other jobs, this was a lot different.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So really,
Very little going back, and I maybe had 2 loads I had to have called in, small loads.
yeah. And I assume you saw that in the dumpster and waste and stuff too?
Yep, probably half on the dumpster.
Yeah. So I think overall for us, we've seen significant benefits, which translates into cost benefits for us as well. And so as we continue to go through these Build Optimize, when we're actually out here, collaborating with the trades, I think we see tremendous benefits. And we talked about that this morning, about just continuing ways to really further our efforts on the Build Optimize. So anything else you guys want to kind of give the team here?
Oh, it's been great. I mean, it's really been good. One of the other things is we didn't lose a day with the framer,
Right.
waiting on materials to show up. Everything was here, and he didn't lose a day.
Right.
So, which kept us ahead of schedule.
And I think one of the things too is that we've gone through this process, that the customer has been really utilizing some of the rendering services where we showcase the house even before they got started. So this particular homeowner is an interior designer, and so the look and feel of the house is important to her. So that was very beneficial. So anyway, that's the Frontline update for Dave and Tom and myself. We appreciate it, and we look forward to talking to you all the next time.